Here's a delicious recipe for sticky coconut chicken and rice. Sticky coconut chicken and rice. Ingredients. For the chicken: 1.5 pounds, about 700 grams, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons honey. 2 tablespoons coconut milk. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil for cooking. For the sticky coconut sauce: 1 cup coconut milk. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1 teaspoon cornstarch, optional for thickening. For the rice: 2 cups jasmine rice. 3 cups water. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Optional garnish: 1 fresh cilantro, chopped. 2 sliced green onions. 3 toasted coconut flakes. 4 lime wedges. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. 1. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, honey, coconut milk, fish sauce, minced garlic, and grated ginger. 2. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, making sure each piece is well coated. 3. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, or you can refrigerate it for a few hours for more flavor. 2. Cook the rice. 1. Rinse the jasmine rice under cold water until the water runs clear. 2. In a rice cooker or a pot, combine the rinsed rice, water, and salt. 3. Cook the rice according to the appliance or pot instructions. 3. Cook the chicken. 1. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Remove the chicken from the marinade, letting any excess drip off, and add it to the hot skillet. 3. Cook the chicken until browned and cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. 4. Make the sticky coconut sauce. 1. In a small saucepan, combine coconut milk, soy sauce, fish sauce, brown sugar, and lime juice. 2. Bring the sauce to a simmer over medium heat. 3. If you want a thicker sauce, mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with a little water to create a slurry and stir it into the sauce. 3. Simmer until it thickens slightly. 5. Combine and serve. 1. Pour the sticky coconut sauce over the cooked chicken in the skillet, tossing to coat evenly. 2. Serve the sticky coconut chicken over a bed of jasmine rice. 3. Garnish with chopped cilantro, sliced green onions, toasted coconut flakes, and lime wedges if desired. Enjoy your sticky coconut chicken and rice, a flavorful and satisfying dish with a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and creamy coconut goodness.